Another exclusive here at the Real Talk Philippines Fashion Party Season 25 at the Crown Plaza Galleria, Manila. And we have an honor to have on our show a beauty pageant winner, a runway model. Naku, daming pwede nating ibigay sa kanyang titulo. Pero ngayon, runway model muna. And she will be wearing a Mato Rodrigo collection. We have Rod Bulang. Hi, Rod.
Hello everyone. Hi, I'm back.
Ayan. And so, we're happy to have you once again here at Real Talk Philippines.
I'm happy too. I'm so pleasured right now.
And at the same time, you're wearing ang ganda naman ng suot mo. Tell us something about that dress.
I think it's emerald green with a gold lining and inspired by Alena. Charis.
Ayan. So, syempre, hindi naman ito yung first time mo na rumampa. At the same time, hindi rin yung first time mo na manalo sa mga beauty pageant. May mga kaba pa ba every time na sasabak pa rin sa runway?
For now, I'm so pressured because I'm the main model of Mato Rodrigo.
So,
Yes po. I'm so pressured right now, but I'm overwhelmed with joy and happiness right now.
syempre, pressured and happiness, pinagsama-sama na, no?
Yes.
Okay. So, well, a lot of beautiful ladies out there, katulad mo, pero sila nahihiyang sumali sa mga pageant, nahihiyang ilabas yung talento nila. If you have one message or tips from for them, ano yun?
Just be yourself and take the risk than lose the chances you have.
Wow, alam mo ang ganda nun, taking the risk, no? Parang that's the key word, no?
Yes, because kung hindi ka magte-take risk, mawawala yung opportunity. Like lang naman na na pag free ka, yun yung ni Sir Mato sa amin. Pag free ka, more of opportunity na meron ka. Pero pag lagi kang wala, parang malalagpasan yung opportunity. Kaya lagi tayong mag-take risk than lose the chances we have.
Very well said. And sino yung mga taong gusto mong pasalamatan for this Passion 40 event?
Siyempre, I would like to thank my family first and God first. Also, Sir Mato Rodrigo for making me a main model of his collection and Fashion Forte, Mami Nardi, and Direct Audrey. And siyempre, kayo po. Thank you so much for having me in this interview.
Thank you very much, Ron. And that's it from us here at the Passion 40 Season 25.